Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be giving a room tour of a king bedroom suite at TownePlace Suites by Marriott Baton Rouge South, just off of I-10 and Bluebonnet. This hotel consists of two buildings and we'll be touring room 329 on the third floor of the building to the right. So this is our king suite here at the TownePlace, and I'm going to give you a room tour. Start with the basic safety features. We have a covered peephole, safety latch. This seems to just be an electronic deadbolt that just keeps the door from being unlocked from the outside. And this is the floor plan of this building. This building is one of two, and we're on the third floor. So coming into the room, we have a breaker panel, closet, and inside the closet we have an ironing board, hangers, shelf way up at the top, some more hangers. And these are like little storage drawers. It's actually not a bad closet. And this being an extended stay, I guess they have extra things that they normally wouldn't have in a regular hotel room. Now on the right over here we have a bathroom. We'll come back to that. Another mirror, full-length mirror here on the wall. And this is a little desk area. In the desk area we have electric outlets and USB ports. Some track lighting overhead. But small kitchen, and this is a full kitchen. It's a full-size refrigerator with an ice maker. We have a regular coffee maker. Rainforest blend coffee, dark roast and dark roast decaf. And we have these salt and pepper shakers with packets of salt and pepper inside. And that's the most nonsensical thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't know why they do that. Sugar, sweetener, some tea, and a roll of paper towels. And here we have a drawer with utensils. Couple of pots, a little area here with a garbage can. We have a full-size dishwasher, microwave oven by Magic Chef, which is nice and clean. Time's not set though. Up here we have some sort of lid, some kind of storage container. Plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, colander, measuring cup, and an empty cabinet. I don't know where the bowl is. It goes with that lid that's in there. That might just be something that somebody left here. And we have a 4-burner electric stove. It's kind of small, but it's got 4 burners. And an oven with a cookie sheet. So in the living area here we have a sofa, a little table, television, and they wrap the remotes in plastic. We have a window unit, AC unit, table with 4 chairs, and we have a telephone here. So overall, the place is pretty well lit. They have a thermostat to control the, well, I thought the thermostat would control the air conditioned. It doesn't. Seems to be dead. Oh, yeah, no, you control it right here. And this is the view, which basically just overlooks a jungle here. Not real sure what's behind here. Probably I-10. They just have dense woods here that separates the hotel from I-10, because I'm pretty sure I-10 is very close by. Have to look at that on a map. Anyway, let's have a look at the bedroom. So, walking into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed. They gave us 4 pillows. Nice padded headboard so you don't bust your head. Another television in here, and they have internet TV. Another window, another air conditioning unit in here. Same thing here, it's got the controls right there on the unit. On both sides of the bed, there's electric outlets with USB ports. On this side, we get an alarm clock, which is plugged in somewhere else, so it's not taking up either of the outlets or USB ports. And we have Book of Mormon and a Bible. And then we have this piece of furniture here that looks like it came from IKEA. It's got a little cubby hole there. Swinging door cabinet. I guess these are drawers. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's an IKEA piece. And this is the whole bedroom. There's not much to it. I'm pretty sure behind this wall is the elevator. And here we have another closet, and in the closet we have hangers, a shelf, no light in the closet, some sort of trapdoor with a padlock on it. And that's it for this closet. Now, you may have noticed there's no bathroom in here. This is a 1-bedroom suite, but it only has 1 bathroom, and the bathroom is the one that we saw by the front door. So let's go take a look at that. So this is the only bathroom, which is fine. But usually in a 1-bedroom suite, you would have like a little powder room or whatever out here, and then you would have a full bath inside the bedroom. But we have a nice mirror here, very well lit. Down here we have hot cold running water, Kleenex. This is Paul Mitchell Refreshing Citrus Face and Body Bar, makeup remover wipe, and nail polish remover pads. A Niagara toilet, Niagara Conservation. We have 2 big bath towels here and a 3rd one here. A couple of hand towels and washcloths here. And there's the bath mat. Inside the shower we have Tea Tree Special Shampoo, Lemon Sage Thickening Conditioner, and Lemon Sage Energizing Body Wash. This is just a stand-up shower, no bathtub. Sliding glass door on it. And actually opens and closes pretty well. So check out the shower head, see how that works. And just have a rotating knob here. And it looks like the shower's pretty good. Got some different settings, nothing fancy. See if it tightens up or spreads out. And now the bath mat's all wet. And the floor is all wet. I don't even have it pointed this way. So anyway, that concludes our room tour. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share on social media, and leave a comment below. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip. And we have a closet.